Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a Tige Z5. This is the 25-foot offering V-bow by Tige. This is going to have an 18-person capacity with a pointy V-bow and tons of space behind. Some of the upgrades that they did for this year model was going to the Audison sound system. This is going to be an Italian-made, custom-engineered sound system that is going to be the best on the market at the moment. You will have a very large cockpit, a couple different features. You have deep storage underneath, lays flat, and then my favorite is the easy access to your battery switch. No longer do you have to try to remember where the battery is. You always have an easy access right there. Tons of deep storage going throughout, and you do also have the surf seat that will flip around. This boat will have the board racks, a nice trash can, which makes it easier to access all of your trash. When it comes time to change that, you just lift this seat up and can remove it. Then my favorite piece of the Tiges is the screen. It's going to integrate all of your systems, whether you're surfing, skiing, or wakeboarding. To change the settings, all you have to do is click a button and it will completely reconfigure the boat via ballast, speed control, and tabs. You also have the wings behind your steering wheel to give you access to all of your sound and audio needs. We'd love to show you this boat and set up an appointment, so give us a call.